Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an auto-generate ID column in a SharePoint list using Power Automate Flow. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your account credentials to access all the Power Automate features. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your existing flows and create new ones. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Create. This will open up various flow creation options that Power Automate offers for different automation scenarios. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automating tasks that need to happen immediately when triggered by a specific event. When a dialog box appears, simply click Skip to move forward without using a template, allowing you to build your flow from scratch. Before we dive into creating the automation, let me quickly show you the SharePoint list structure we'll be working with. The list contains several columns, including user ID, task, assigned to, and due date. This structure is important because we're going to automate the user ID field to generate unique identifiers automatically whenever a new item is added. Now let's head back to Microsoft Power Automate to set up our flow. Click on Add a Trigger to start building your automation. In the search field that appears, type when an item is created and select it from the results. This trigger will activate your flow whenever someone adds a new item to your SharePoint list, making it perfect for auto-generating IDs. Next, you'll need to configure the trigger settings. Click the drop-down menu on Site Address and choose your SharePoint site address from the list. Then click the drop-down on List Name and select the specific list you want to automate. This connects your flow directly to the SharePoint list you showed earlier. Now click the plus icon below your trigger to add an action that will run when the trigger fires. In the search box, type Update Item and click on it. This action allows you to modify the newly created item by adding the auto-generated ID. Once again, choose your site address and list name from the drop-down menus to ensure you're updating the correct list. In the ID field, click it and then click the lightning or thunder icon to access dynamic content. From the options that appear, click ID. This tells Power Automate which item to update based on the ID of the newly created entry. Now here's where we configure the custom ID format. Click on Advanced Parameters to reveal additional fields, then select User ID from the list. This is the field where your auto-generated ID will be stored. Click on the User ID field and then click the FX icon to open the Expressions panel. In the expression box, type concat open parentheses, single quote user hyphen single quote comma format number open parentheses trigger output open parentheses close parentheses question mark open bracket single quote body slash ID single quote close bracket comma single quote 0000 single quote close parentheses and click Add. This expression creates a custom ID format like user-0001, user-0002, and so on, ensuring each entry gets a unique sequential identifier. Finally, click Save at the top of your screen to activate your automation. Your flow is now live and ready to work. From this point forward, whenever someone creates a new item in your SharePoint list, Power Automate will automatically generate a formatted user ID without any manual input required. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.